In the BNTouch CRM, your partner records are all kept in an organized, easy-to-navigate database. You can access and manipulate these files using the partner record list. All records for agents, realtors, attorneys, and other partners in your BNTouch CRM will be listed here, whether they were added manually or imported to your system. To access this list at any time, simply click the Partnerships tab. The organization of the Partnerships tab will depend upon the view settings that are currently in place for your CRM. Subtabs at the top of the page will allow you to quickly browse subsets of your partner database. You may want to categorize your partner records based upon their step in the marketing sequence pipeline, by group association, or by another customized view system. View settings can also determine which fields appear in the partner record list to the right of a partner's name. To learn more about the views available in your CRM, please watch our View Settings training video in this series. Below the subtabs, you will see a list of your partners as rows in a table. Details from each partner's record will display to the right. Depending on your access privileges in your company, this list will show either all records in your CRM or those specifically assigned to you. Only a portion of your partner records will display on screen at a time. You can navigate between pages of records using the numbers and arrows in the lower left corner of the page. You can also change the number of records that display on each page using the menu in the upper right corner. Note that displaying more records at once may affect page loading times. The list of records can be reordered by clicking on any of the column headers. The currently selected column for record sorting will appear in orange. Clicking a header again will reverse the sorting. No matter which view is used, several options will be available for records in the Partnerships tab. Actions can be taken on multiple records at once by using the checkboxes to the left and the Actions for Selected Records drop-down menu above the record list. Which options appear as buttons here will depend upon the modules that are active for your account. If you do not see a menu entry covered here in your CRM and would like it added, please contact your administrator. Send Emails will open an email editor and add the selected records automatically listed as recipients. Print Label and Print Letter will do the same for physical mail communication instead of email, allowing you to print mailing labels or pre-made letters uploaded to the Marketing tab Documents library. Tracker Report will let you see all tracker events that have been created for the selected records. To learn more about how the event tracker works and the reports available for it, please watch our Partner Event Tracker training video in this series. When you click Start Stop Campaign, you'll see a listing of your marketing campaigns, which you can then either start or stop for all checked records. You can set a date and time for the campaigns to start, and you can even restart campaigns for records that already have the campaign started. The Assign Records button will show a list of your CRM users, who you can then assign the ownership of selected partner records to. Depending upon your account type and access privileges, this may prevent you from further accessing the selected records. Move Records can be used to change the marketing sequence stage for the selected records or to change the groups assigned to the records. You can select multiple groups for each record using the checkboxes in the list, or you can remove the records from all groups using the box to the right. If you have selected only 2 records that are assigned to the same user, you can use the Merge Records button to sync the information in both records into a single one. You will be shown a list of the information for both records, and you can choose which record's information will be kept in the new file using the radio buttons. You can use the Select All buttons at the top of the list to mark all subsequent fields for that record. Then, you can select to combine them into a single record, copy the information to both records to associate with one contact record, or simply keep the selected record and remove the unselected one. To learn more about combining records in your CRM, please watch our Merging Records training video. Delete can be used to remove multiple checked records at once. Lastly, the Send SMS button allows you to compose an SMS text message and send it to each of the selected records. This feature is only available to accounts with the BNTouch Voice module active that have enabled the bulk SMS setting. Similarly, the PB dialer button is used to make phone burner calls to the selected records if that module is enabled. You may have noticed two icons adjacent to the Partnerships tab at the top of your screen. The plus sign icon can be used to create a new partner record. When you add a new partner, you can enter information manually using the text fields below. You can include as little or as much information as you like. You can add the new record to any relevant groups using the drop-down menu at the top of the page, and new groups can be created using the Manage Groups link. Alternatively, you can import a record from a Fannie Mae 3.2 file by clicking the Import FN 3.2 button at the top of the screen. When importing records, make sure each file has a unique file name. When finished entering the partner's information, click the Add Record button at the top or bottom of the page to create the new partner record. Once you do, it will appear in the partner record list and you will be taken to the partner info section of the new record. More options are now available for adding information to the record. These new options and data fields are separated into various subtabs. The second icon to the right of the Partnerships tab is a small magnifying glass. Clicking this will open Pik-a-Search, a highly customizable record finding tool. To learn more about finding partner records, please watch our Pik-a-Search training video in this series.